It's the Carolina
It's
Cook,
the
cooking the
Carolina Cook, cooking the
Liners. What's up, y'all? Even though this is not a large quantity of food or a long interaction, this is something like a mukbang. All right, y'all. I know y'all see the Carolina Cook cooking all type of other stuff all the time. Being that I'm from the South. But I want y'all to know that I can get down on some soul food. All right. And even though it's soul food, it's a little twist. These are kale greens. What I did was cook some smoked sausage in it, then remove the sausage out of the greens after the sausage flavor cooked in there.
I shall
This is
proceed.
smothered turkey wings. This is the gravy I smothered them in. Then I took the turkey wings out of the gravy and broiled them to get a nice little good crisp on top. Then I reserved the gravy that I smothered them in so that you can enjoy it with your kale greens and your turkey wings. So these are smothered and broiled turkey wings. The gravy that I made, I started off with a roux, and then I added leeks. I know y'all ain't never heard of leeks in soul food, but hey,
and onions.
I had them on deck, so I used them. Threw a whole lot of razzle dazzle in there. And y'all, to be honest, I don't remember what kind of seasonings I used. I just grabbed what was available in the kitchen, threw it in there, you know. Stuff like seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, all types of stuff, man. All types of razzle dazzle. And that's it. I just grabbed up what I had in the kitchen. And gotta show y'all that Carolina Cook can throw down on some soul food now. I'm from the South. Born and raised. All right. So I know how to throw down on soul food. You know, just a lot of people may be like, well, you don't be cooking black people food. All right, well, here's some black people food for you. All right. It's late at night. Right now it's after 11 something p.m. It's about 11:30-ish, 11:40-ish p.m., somewhere around there, almost 12 midnight. So I did not have time to do a recipe video on this. But I want y'all to know that I can throw down if I wanted to and if I had to on the soul food. All right? Okay. Chef Anthony Albritton, the Carolina Cook, cooking the Carolinas. Wait. Stop the presses. Stop the presses. Stop the presses. I forgot to tell y'all. Forgot to show y'all. You see how moist? You see how moist this turkey leg is? See that moisture in there? You see that? See that moisture? You see that tenderness? I forgot to tell you.
Tender love.
I brined.
Love so tender.
I brined the turkey wings overnight. And I would say around midnight last night, I put them in a brine, and I didn't take them out of the brine to cook them until like maybe, let's say about 6 something. About 6 something, no. About 7 or 8 something, 7 or 8 p.m. tonight. Took them out of the brine and I smothered them, then broiled them. So it's like triple flavor because I smothered them, I brined them first. So the inside got a different certain flavor. Then I smothered them, then I broiled them. So I put like a triple whammy on this turkey wing. So I had to come back and let y'all know that, because I was about to leave that out. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna bust this down. Go ahead and eat some of this. See how nice, juicy, and tender. Tender down. I dropped pieces in there, but that's all right. Get some of this gravy, get some of these kale greens. Put them off in some gravy. Get a nice piece of turkey here. Put it off in that gravy. All right. I got all kind of flavors going on right here, y'all. Now, I got to sit back now and figure out what all I put in this stuff. Because there was just a bunch of seasonings flying around the kitchen. And I don't know what I did. And probably eventually or one day I'll do a recipe video on this, but stuff like this takes a long time to cook, long time to prepare. And I didn't do a video because I didn't really have a format. Normally I'll do episodes called Cooking on the Fly, where I'll just throw stuff together. But since I didn't know how this would come out, I didn't bother making the video. But after I made the video and realized how good it was and how good it came out, see, that's that natural soul in me right there. That's that natural soul in me. All right? I was born with this. I came out of a cooking mother. All right? So it's already in my DNA.
The first time I ever got on the stove,
South.
it all came
So
together.
this is already in my DNA. Food like this, you got to come down to South Carolina to get. I don't care where they cook it at. What state? South Carolina got a different taste. The South has a different taste. Point blank, period. You will have to come to South Carolina to get you some of this. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to write this recipe down. Figure out what in the world I threw together to come up with this.
This the kind of turkey there to make you eat it like a hungry pilgrim. Like, share, and subscribe thou unto my channel. Church.